Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sheila Nadia from Class B Management, name 202111483. Okay, today I will retell journal for task exam, for task English exam. The journal is the Journal of Development Economics, and the title of journal is Financial Access and Women Role in Household Decision, empirical from India National Rural Livelihood Project. There are five writers. First writer is Anjini Kochar from Stanford University, an international initiative for impact evaluation from USA. Number two, Kosaket Nagamusana from Fruity Livelihood Impact Partner from India. Number four, Ritvir Sarkar from International Initiative for Impact Evaluation from India. And number four, Rohan Shah from Fruity Livelihood Impact Partner from India. And number five, Rita Singh from International Initiative for Impact Evaluation from India. The abstract of this journal is government program supporting self-help group generally target women on the assumption that doing so enhances women decision making. We advance and thus when explanation the loan amounts offered by most self-help group may be too small to impact women. Our analysis based on self-help group developed under India National Rural Livelihood Project, a program that supports both small loans from internal saving and larger loans through Community Investment Program or CIF, exploiting variation that passing an amount document a large effect of CIF women's decision making and on intra-household allocation. And then number two, introduction of this journal. The background knowledge. The mixed success of microfinance program reducing poverty similar variation in their impact on women's role in household decision. A review of several microfinance programs finds insignificant effect on women decision-making ability in 3 out of 4 studies that supported this outcome. According to Banerjee et al. 2015, similarly recent systematic review of programs that support women self-help group suggest an average effect on women decision-making that is small and frequently insignificant, according to Brody et al. 2017 and Jaya Chandra et al. 2020. And then the problem of this journal is one explanation for marginal effect of microfinance program comes from international model or theoretical model of poverty traps. This model postulates that movement out of poverty require. And then a big pass that generate a large jump or change in the resource base of poor household. Responding to this, government are increasingly embarrassing programs that giant ultra poor women livelihood generating asset. while also providing them with training to upgrade their skill, and other complementary inputs can Big Push program enable change in women status? And if so, are there less costly way of making this push that might be much wider coverage of all below poverty line women, not just the ultra poor? The focus and research gap. The Evaluate National Rural Livelihood Project, we along with other collaboration, implemented a cross-sectional survey of five, 15,000 self-help group member across 8 of poorest state in 2018. As the program approaches its end, the data this enable an impact of the program at scale after it had reached almost universal coverage of target 7 70 million below poverty line households spread across 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 600 districts and 600,000 village. We confirm that women financial access to CIF are CIF are community investment funds of effect household assumption allocation even in regression that condition on total household saving. We find that its result applies only to large loans. Women access to insignificant small loans available after 1 year of internal saving. Without access of CIF, without access of CIF, of effect assumption allocation only through their effect on household saving. And then preview research with the same them as now. Our research will theoretical model of intertemporal household decision making of illustrate how women's bargaining weight are updated to over time as consequence of change in their reservation utility according to Mancuso 2007 and Foena 2015. And then hope of this journal is our analysis identifies the impact of CIF by exploiting variation in their amount and timing across self-help group. There is variation in how the program was implemented across India stage. And then review of related literature. Our research relate of growing evidence on multi-faceted graduation program that provide large grades, turning and other complementary input to ultra-poor household, according to Banerjee et al. 2015. For example, Edger et al. 2000, according to 2019 and Hausover and Safira 2015 established the effect by a large cash transfer by the NGO, the Georgie and Russell 2018 provide evidence transfer in Mexico. Progresa program evaluate improvement in investment in network characteristic by strong ties. And then number 3, the methodology of our analysis or methodology of our journal. The analysis of this paper is based on India Rural Livelihood Project, the program that enhances livelihood through the formation of self-help group comprising women from among the country poorest household. Project team responsible for forming a self-help group did so by identifying hamlets on our narrow residence grouping of relative disadvantaged household and then intensively working with the hamlet from group of approximately 10 years. And then empirical. And then, And then empirical result and discussion. We identify the effect of CIF or Community Investment Program, women bargaining power by exploiting the variation in the receipt of CIF across self-help group. In their absence, the insignificant difference in program the receipt of CIF across self-help group. And in their absence, the significant difference in program research and self-help group age across high and low intensity stage and across self-help group with and without CIF. And then the resulting disparity in self-help group quality are likely to generate corresponding difference in discussion and decision making in the absence of CIF. The first region including just the interaction variable CIF and height and its individual components or CIF and height without any additional control. The second region replace complement the indicator variable height with a set of stage fixed effect. And the third regression additional includes self-help group years or age and in its interaction with height. The result of this table refer to statistic significant variation the coefficient on CIF and height across the specification. And attention to the robustness to variation in the set of control variable. The estimate suggests that the supervision on CIF enhanced tax raise women decision by 0.10 2.2% increase over the mean value 3.08. Our result this data that women access large fund constitute a distribution factor shifting expenditure partner level in regression that condition in household total research. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I'm got the flu. And then the last is the conclusion of the journal is this paper empirical support for the hypothesis that improvement women's decision making ability over the course of marriage require a large improvement in their access financial research. We confirm that access to these large funds serve as a distribution factor affecting household allocation directly. And then, conversely, though access to small loan affect household saving, the effect of household allocation occurs only through household saving. Our results have significant implication for policy, highlighting to need to pay attention to quantity rather than to implement financial inclusion policy without regard to the loan that variable throughout. And then this is this uh, this is detail of me, and I'm sorry if I have, and I'm sorry, and thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.